Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will check how to use Banggood for online shopping. First of all, you'll need to install the Banggood app on your phone and tap on the app icon to open it. Once you're inside, you'll see a variety of deals, offers, and products listed on the screen. But before you start browsing, you'll need to sign up as a new user or sign in if you already have an account. Tap on Sign In at the bottom and you'll be given a few options. I'll choose to sign in with my Google account, but you can pick whichever method works best for you. Once you're logged in, you'll return to the home screen where you'll see all the latest deals and offers waiting for you. So let's start exploring the products. Scroll down to find the item you'd like to add. I'll pick a random product to show you how it works. Once the product opens, you'll see all the images the seller has provided. Review them to confirm it's exactly what you're looking for. You can also check the product's rating, see how many units have been sold, and note the price after any discounts. Also, scroll down to see if the shipping is free or if there's a minimum spend required for free shipping. Keep scrolling to check out the reviews, what other buyers have said, and the photos they've shared. Once you're satisfied and ready to buy, tap on Buy Now at the bottom. A new page will open where you can select options like size or color depending on the product. Choose your quantity, and once everything is set, tap Continue at the bottom to move on to the checkout page. On the checkout page, you'll see a preview of your product along with the listed price, as well as the shipping details, including the shipping charges and any fees applied. At the bottom, you can enter a discount code if you have one. Once everything looks correct, tap Place Order. Then you'll be taken to the address page. If you're a new user, you can add your address by entering your country, phone number, and postal code. Once you've added everything, tap Save to review your order and confirm it. And that's how you place an order on the Banggood mobile app. Now let's go back to the home page. Once you're back, you'll see several options at the top, like clearance, price drop, share and earn, coupon, group buy, and check-in. You can explore these features to grab special discounts. You'll also find a Get More Coupons option, along with flash deals, trending hot categories, fast delivery, and top sales, all right on the home page. If you tap the heart icon at the top left, you'll see a list of products you've added to your favorites. Then, at the top center, you'll find the search bar. Use this to search for products or even upload an image to find exactly what you need. If you tap the bell icon at the top right, you'll see all your notifications, whether from promotions, order tracking, or support tickets. Once you've explored, from the bottom menu, tap on the Category tab. A new page will appear with a list of categories on the left and subcategories on the right, so you can narrow down your search exactly as you like. The next tab is New, where you'll see the latest products that have just been listed. You can also tap on the Pre-Order tab at the top to check out upcoming products. You can place a pre-order to be among the first to receive them. Then, the third tab is Top New Ranking, where products are ranked based on their ratings, reviews, and likes. After that, go to the bottom menu and tap on the Cart tab. Here, you'll see all the products you've added to your cart. Find the item you want and proceed to place your order. Finally, tap on the Account tab. You'll be taken to a new page with all your details. This is a really important section, so make sure you check it out. At the top left of the page, you'll see your profile image and name. On the top right, there's a bell icon for notifications, and next to it, tap the gear icon to open a new page with settings for your account. Use this if you run into any issues. Back on the profile page, you'll find your wish list, your viewed items list, and your coupons. These are really important to check before you order so you can get the best discounts. There's also a club membership option where Banggood offers different membership levels. Choose the one that suits you and enjoy special benefits as a member or premium member. Next is the Order section where you can track all your orders, from placement to shipping, reviews, and pending items. Then there's the Wallet section where you can see the points you've earned, collect daily points, and use them for discounts when you shop. After that, the Fun Way to Save section gives you different ways to earn rewards. Explore them on your own. Finally, the Services section lets you manage details like your address book, help center, reviews, settings, feedback, and identity approval. You can explore all these sections one by one, and that's it. This is how you can use Banggood for online shopping.